channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing how Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to create this cute and simple look. I will insert a clip. So the first thing I do is usually apply my heat protectant spray by L'Oreal. I use it as a detangler also, and so I just usually start up at the roots. Make my way down. Same thing. And then I just let it sit in for 2 to 5 minutes. I usually go in with my wet brush. And this, honestly, I just got it on Amazon for like $3. It's a wet brush, and I feel like it detangles your hair way better. Usually do this. Super nappy. I brush on my bangs too because I don't want them to look all like stuck together. Alright. Then after this part, I am going to separate my hair. Sorry about this rope thing over here. It's obviously my shower. I tried to block it out of this video, but just the positioning of the camera was just not working out. So yeah, it looks like a snake back there. The French is this hose. It's ruining my background. I'm gonna be sectioning my hair, and I'm gonna be using these clips that I got from Sally's. Honestly, you could use any clips. And I'm just gonna roll this up. Honestly, there's like no perfect way to do this. I don't know, I see some YouTubers be like making it look all cute and shit, but the fuck. Anyways, so I go ahead and if it holds up, you know. I usually start out with a really small section like this, and that's just my personal preference. I am gonna be using this bed head crimper. I will leave everything linked down below. I don't know why it's not turning on. Oh, there you go. So on, and there's a little like lever thing on high and low, and I usually go with the highest. So I'm just gonna keep it at the highest. And this is how it looks. And I'm just gonna take like 5-10 minutes for it to warm up. I'm going to grab my little thingy, and I'm gonna start. I feel like I'm like sweating in here, but and my phone's about to die. Okay, so let me just try to do this real quick and show you. So I grab about like 1 inch of my hair. It's super long, so just take me a minute to do this whole thing. So I'm just gonna start at the top and hold it like this for about 5 to 10 seconds to BH. And you really want to like make sure the little crimper things warmed up, or else they're not gonna come out as nice. And then we're gonna move on to the next section of hair. I feel like I'm out of breath. Fuck. And we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. Some like smoke coming out.
Okay.
Alright. So you're just gonna keep doing this. I'm gonna just show you how I do a few strands, and then I'm gonna just fast forward this. Alright, so it looks like that. I'm gonna go on with the next little section right here. My little pumpkins in the back. I love fall time and I love Halloween. It's my favorite time of the year. Alright. I just finished this little section. So after I do like a small little section like this, I do go in with my IGK. This is a texturing spray. I usually go with the cheaper one by book. I forgot what it's called. By Mother, I forgot the brand's name, but anyways, they didn't have it in stock, so I did pick this one up from Sephora. It's a little bit more of a high-end one, but it works pretty good. So yeah, I just like spray just a little bit. Smells really good too. Really. Can just do a little like scrunchy thing. So I just finished the entire section over here. I wanted to show you guys this part because I feel like it's one of the most important parts of this like look. This is gonna be like facing the front. Most of this is the bottom of your hair, so I do tend to leave the crimper on for a little bit longer on these strands. It's so hot in here. And I do a little bit more of like a 1/2 inch of hair on these. Just because I want to make sure it's like super wavy or on the top, since the bottom's not going to show as much. I'm burning in here. Don't know if you guys could see the wall. Facing towards the camera. Where are you at? If I look like I'm glowing, I'm actually sweating in here. And so this is what I mean, just leave it on a little longer. I'm literally freaking hot. And the reason why I don't take off the sweater is because I have a sports bra underneath and it's see-through, so yeah. I don't know why my lighting keeps changing. So yeah, I'm gonna repeat this entire process on all this hair. Alright, so I'm gonna repeat the same thing I showed you guys in the beginning. So this is the final look. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more texture spray.